Just take a look at this shocking scene at this traffic light in Washington State. A plane seen on dashcam video crashing into the intersection. The small plane had just taken off Tuesday afternoon when the pilot reported losing power. With no time to waste, using the road as a runway, the plane bursting into flames as it clipped power lines, street signs, even this woman's car. But miraculously, no one was seriously injured.
He had no choice but to belly flop the plane, with its engines acting like the runners of a sled. And then it happened. Flight 16 touched down at more than 140 miles an hour.
Thanks for watching. If you haven't already done so, hit the subscribe button and be sure to turn the notifications on so you can be alerted every time a new video like this one is published. If you liked the video, be sure to hit the like button and leave a comment down below. Whereas if you didn't like the video,
I still love you!